Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Chipotle Friday. Switch it up on y'all.
Why do we have Chipotle today? Because it's Fast Food Friday.
You already know what it is.
Yes, we are ready to dig in. Everyone knows. And for the new family members, I do not do an outfit of the day on Fast Food Friday. It's a chillax day.
Yes.
But we are ready to dig in. What do I have? I have cheese, corn, brown rice, shredded beef, pork.
No,
Pork.
that me I try to tell you.
What do you have, my love?
White cilantro rice. Corn with the first lady have. Cheese, chicken, and the shredded beef. And the beans them.
And the beans, black beans. And we have some gravy on the
extra
side.
Gravy and onions and stuff
and
like that.
Onions, not my onions.
Check out the presentation. Woo!
So, Vex. So, this is the first time that I've had the taco shells from Chipotle. Guys, I had no idea that Chipotle does this at all. It wasn't until I saw Cece from Like Mother Like Daughter Eats.
You know it.
Had the shell.
That joint look good.
Oh man, oh man, oh man. And every time I say I'm gonna go get it, look at that cheese.
Then she stuff it with this.
I have to get extra corn.
Try it. Extra corn and stuff like that.
Wait. Hold on. Stop. Stop taping. Stop.
Right.
Richard. While we was in Chipotle, Richie, I asked you if you wanted any taco shells and you said no.
Are you a problem? I'm telling you to buy pork. I'm not getting.
Honey, they could have given us more taco shells.
No. Since you going to buy the pork, I'm gonna take one of your shells.
Touch my shells again.
Family.
No. Family. I asked Richie in the store, honey, do you want some taco shells? He said, no.
Never here, come on, man. Family. Before we went to the store, you know I gotta have you again on deck, Grace. We're going to the store. We strategized this already, you know? Teamwork, I said, first lady, don't get nothing that I can't eat.
You never.
I said, don't get nothing that I can't eat. I said, get something that makes good. I said, first lady went there. When I ordered the pork first, I said, oh my gosh. And she know she ain't gonna eat all. So, I feel some type of way today, you know?
Oh Lord. All I know is that I asked Richie if he wanted any taco shells. Man.
I feel some type of way.
Yeah. These are good.
They are.
Is it just me or it has like a little sweetness to it?
Nice.
Richie said, oh no. I don't want no shells. I'm surprised you ate it because you said I was cut your jaw.
Okay, you know your food, so might as well. Yep. That's how I feel today. No?
It's so good.
I'm gonna try now. I'm gonna get the onions.
And some gravy.
And some tomato.
I'm gonna mix this up.
Yo.
You gotta mix it up.
Friday. From you put me on this.
Chipotle?
Yeah. Chipotle give a lot of food.
Okay. They used to have that's what they have. They used to have green peppers. Now they have red? Okay.
It's worth it. Nice.
It's really good. Really, really good.
I know.
I'm gonna be honest. I should have got more shells. It's so good. It is.
Yeah? Should I get more shells? No, this is the mayo.
Listen, come up with my food, man.
This is mayo, trust me.
Yeah, no, I know.
I tell you already what to do already. What was you dropping out my mouth, huh? Wow.
It's really good.
Chipotle good. I just said, what the hell is this first lady buying? And they should let me taste it. I love Chipotle now.
But it's so funny because I didn't used to go to Chipotle either.
You just go to which side?
Moles. And they were doing some kind of promotion. Right. LA Fitness, where you used to go for basketball. Wasn't they giving them out? They was giving out coupons, like I think it was $3 taco bowls. And he was like, hey, for $3 we might as well try it. And I tried it and Richie was like, no, I don't want to try that.
You know what?
When he tasted it, that's when he was like, oh wow. Immediately we went out and got him a bowl.
Yep.
Same day.
Yep. Same day. But one thing, first day they show me a trick, you gotta be fast in there and tell them what you want, because if you don't be on point, man, you missed out.
They move fast.
They give me extra rice today. No? Gotta tell them fast because they're moving. They give you a lot of food. How's your day? It's fine? Okay, I'm glad it's fine. No? Shredded beef. What you got going on for your Friday? 6 o'clock. Don't be late or you won't participate. Rain or shine, we're gonna be there.
Rain or shine?
I think go.
I'm laughing because we in the house.
Yeah.
That's why it's funny.
You gotta make sure that's real now. And strong to the man. Sometimes family when we go here, whoever serving their food, their hand be light. You know?
Just like when we went to
This server was heavy today. I like the heavy hand servers.
we went to Donna's.
Yeah. You put a grape on your hand? Grape was nice, huh?
Flavorful.
Yeah.
We went to Donna's in Fort Lauderdale. There was this new girl there. So we go there all the time. And people was like, we didn't think that we were the only ones who was doing it. Right, honey? But what happened again?
Give me a second. Enjoy. For me, at first day to walk in the store, one thing when me first day to go someplace, we pay attention to see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? And me worse. Pull a drop. Pull a drop on your sexy leg. Okay. Here's the family right here. Nice. Ow. Family. Yeah. So when we go in the store, we pay attention. And come here first day. Standing in the line. And there was a young girl. You're watching her and say, yo, this girl ain't sharing the food right. Her hand moving short. And what Jamaican family know what we mean when we mean short. So we mean short, like mean she like being stingy with the food, like she counting the rice grains and stuff like that. So me at first it was in the back and like 3 people in front of us. So we watched her say, me at first it like, yo, you're not gonna go to that girl, you know? Because, you know what I mean? Her hand too short. So 3 people in front of us went, right? She served them. Food was short, she didn't give a lot of food, so we say, yo, we gonna make somebody skip us and go in front of her and try to get the next lady. Wait, but did we end up with the same girl? Yeah. Finish it off first, lady.
We didn't end up with the same girl. Somebody else
end up with her.
And the man say, yo, a 4-piece oxtail y'all getting my girl? Translation. Excuse me. You only giving me 4-piece oxtail? And she says yes. Them say a 4-piece oxtail you're supposed to get with a lunch special. And them said 4-piece oxtail. And me and Richard looking at her like, we didn't even know that. You know, because usually when you go to a Jamaican restaurant, they're not putting no oxtail on a lunch special because oxtail already dear.
Expensive, you know what it is already.
Yeah, it's expensive. So I was shocked. I said, man, we ain't know that.
We learned today?
Yeah, we learned something that day. So he was like, yo, y'all move sharp, man. Y'all share up my food sharp. But she was looking at him like, so you can tell that she wasn't Jamaican. Yeah. Because she was confused, like, what is he saying?
Yeah.
So the Jamaican lady that works there, she went and she took his food. She put like 3 more pieces of oxtail.
But we even know they have lunch special. Something new. Are we still about where we're going now?
I said, and then you hear somebody in the background. Hey, mommy, now go to off. You're unshot.
Everybody skipped her.
Nobody wanted her.
Nobody wanted to serve her.
Nobody wanted her to share their food, honey. Nobody.
Everybody skipped her and said, nah, we ain't going to her. Yeah, ever did that? Y'all go to your restaurant, one of your favorite restaurant, and you're like, damn, I hope this person don't share my food out. Cause you know they're gonna give you a little bit of food. Tell me if you ever had that experience, cause I know some of y'all did. Comment down, but we was making everybody skip us. Hell no, we wasn't trying to get her.
Yeah, we was like, oh, we thinking.
Go.
We already know what we want.
We want her.
Okay.
Yep. I said, nah. Everything. Yep. You don't want to put on in? You like the thing, what you call it? That.
Yeah, we should have one more taco show.
Yeah, no. No. Well, I'm going to who I bake some. But yeah, family. You saw your comments. And we like those dishes where y'all say. So you know what? We will make it happen, you know what I'm saying? Right, First Lady? We're gonna make it happen. And to all my family members, I was just teasing you, I was giving you a quiz because I know y'all be watching. Sometimes I like to give you a quiz, you know? And see where your mind at. But you know that, I know. Yeah? The answer was 5, plus First Lady makes 6. You know? Right, First Lady?
Right.
So everybody got it right. Let's say this. I was just giving you a test. Appreciate y'all. Sometimes Pastor Richie gotta give you a test, you know? But other than that, how was your Friday going?
Oh.
Oh yeah, work? Long day at work?
Damn fuck. That's what it feels.
Oh, they had a long day at work.
Oh.
Stressful sometimes. Yeah, really?
I know how that feels.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. 6 o'clock. Gonna ease the pain. You know what I'm saying? Let's come and chit chat. We're gonna chillax, you know? Sit down and chat with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Have a little laugh.
I feel so bad because Miss Gina was like, I missed the live.
Don't worry, Miss Gina. You're gonna make this one for you. Okay? Appreciate every one of y'all. So, we're gonna turn a bad day into a good day.
Yep.
That's it.
Yo, I love this. Oh my God.
Well. Shell nice.
You know, I like crunchy stuff. So,
you open the juice already? You can drink?
Good. Yeah, and it's really good.
I ain't gonna lie.
A lot of food.
Of all the places I be getting food from, Chipotle and the Haitian restaurant.
A lot
of food. Calm it down if Chipotle give you a lot of food. Calm it down for real. But yo, it is.
Yeah. But I'm gonna tell you guys the trick with Chipotle. This is a trick when you go there.
Yeah.
I don't know if I told you guys this before, but in case I did, okay, it's okay. I'm gonna tell you again.
Tell her again.
When you go there, be prepared. Don't go there stumbling. Because they don't have time to stumble. Know what you want right away.
Quick. ASAP with it.
ASAP. When you get to the front, I don't like the burritos. It's too. I can't. I don't like all that. As soon as they cut it, and I'm looking at it, I'm full. It's just too big for me, right? So I get the bowl. We get the bowl. What you can do is you can ask for a burrito bowl, and they'll put the burrito in it, and then put the food on top, like how they're doing it now.
Wow.
The trick is to ask for more rice. Don't say extra rice, but ask for more rice. So they put rice in your plate. Say, oh, can I have some more rice, please? They'll give you more rice.
Okay. You didn't tell them that before.
No. Then they're gonna put the beans. I mean, if you're greedy. If you're not greedy like me.
I agree.
But if you're greedy like Richie.
I agree like you that's watching.
Follow these rules. If you're not greedy, just do whatever you know they put in there.
Yeah.
After you say, can I have some more rice, please? Then you say, oh, can I have some more beans? So now they're gonna give you double rice and double beans, right?
You're bad for the thing, man. You never have that scheme there.
I did. Then the vegetables, them same thing. What they're stingy on is the meat.
Yeah.
They're not stingy with the rice. They're not stingy with the beans. They're not stingy with the corn and the whatever.
Yeah.
They're stingy with the meat. So how you get around to getting extra meat without paying for it? Is you say, I want half and half. They're going to give you. They're going to give you a lot of meat for the half and half.
You get a lot.
More than you would get if you just ordered one meat.
Right, because they don't give a lot.
And then that's how you get more food.
Go try that.
Without paying for it.
First lady know to come up. Your boss, your frigga, yeah?
You figure, yeah, it's my food. At least I can save it and eat it tomorrow.
Yeah, no, I'm that.
Remember, I'm this.
You're not going to that.
I'm gonna go to Chipotle and tell them that they need to give me my taco shells.
For real? They will give it to you, though?
I'm gonna say, I got all the way home and I didn't get my taco shells. I made 3 more tacos.
That was good. That was a good put on from Cece. Good job. Yeah.
Your boss?
Boss, you're a fool, no one, yeah. I know so you're not gonna manage it now. See that? I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time. I don't want to done it. I ain't gonna lie. I love places that give you a lot of food, you know? I enjoy it. I love that food, you know? Thank you for helping me, family. Y'all did a great job.
This was so heavy, okay? It was so heavy. If you held it with one hand, it would drop. You needed to hold it with 2 hands.
Stop telling life on me. They see it was a little bit of food.
Hey guys, what kind of fast food would you like to see us eat also?
Yes.
You know?
Good one, for a lady. What kind of fast food y'all want to see her eat?
We are going to do what we discussed on the live, but what other fast food restaurants? We have a lot around here, so
A lot.
let us know. We'll do it.
Just comment down. We let you know back in the comments if we have those around here. Just let us know. We see what's up. Yeah. I eat anywhere. As long as I'm not buying the pork. Yeah. Watch out. Get first lady plate. First lady plate look the same. Cause I want you to see, family. If she didn't get something I want, I would eat it off already. See that? First lady plate still look the same. Here you go. Let me fix it back for you nice and eat. Want to feed you?
Yes. Feed me.
Feed you. Nice. I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. Will it do? That's what they say.
That's what they say?
I guess so. I don't know. Well, yeah. We appreciate every single one of y'all. Y'all know that already. 6 o'clock. Where to be? We're gonna chill. Get all the stress out. Make y'all laugh, feel better, Okay. Ready, First Lady, for this?
Full.
Full? Pastor Rich in the building right now. Pull out the offering plate, First Lady.
Offering plate.
Offering plate, long time.
All right, long time.
Long
Offering
time.
plate.
There go my offering plate. I'm on the pulpit now.
Offering plate.
My turn now. All right, First Lady. All right, family. Don't just read those success stories. Create one of your own.
Ooh.
Family. Yes, I'm talking to y'all. Don't just read those success stories. Create one on your own. Okay?
I love that.
There we go. Miss Gina, put a smile on your face always, right? There you go. Don't forget, you thought I missed it, to like, we shared, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. And this is, okay. They should know what it is, ready first. They do your thing.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.